Today, I'm in Sand Hill, Colombia, the outdoor adventure capital of Colombia. And today, I am rappelling down a waterfall. This week has been a busy week for me. Whitewater rafting. Then I almost died in that same river I whitewater rafted the next day. And then after that, I go paragliding, which I'm 3,000 meters up in the air, soaring like a bird. And then I thought, hey, what if I go below the Earth's surface and go underwater caving? Did that, and now rappelling down a waterfall. Now, I said it times and times before, I am a waterfall and volcano guy. So today I'm hyped. But first, a lovely lady sold me these, I don't know what these are, peanuts, but they're covered in something. I don't know. We got like 6 little tubes for $1, and we're gonna try them out real quick before our waterfall. Solid. I rate it a solid 8 out of 10. Now, on our way to Juan Courier Waterfalls, we have to take 2 separate buses, but they were pretty pleasant. But we finally made it here. This behemoth of a waterfall, as you can see behind me, is 180 meters high, and it's broken into 3 separate parts. And I'm gonna do all 3 today. Turns out we walked on someone else's property, and that was not the way in. This is the way into the building. Now, this will be my very first time going down a waterfall. In El Salvador, I was climbing up waterfalls. Great time. In Nicaragua, I was hiking 2 waterfalls. That was a great time. In Panama, I was sitting on top of waterfalls. That was also a great time. But now, we're going down it. But before we go on our waterfall rappelling journey, we have to fill out paperwork and a 30-minute hike. And you know I love hikes. We're all kitted up. We got our harness on. A little bit loose, but for now, I think we're fine. Another day, another adventure. Harness is on, helmet. It's about to be crazy. After a nice, short, but kind of long hike, we have made it to the base of the waterfall. Water's flowing. Butterflies are buttering. And I'm having a great time. I just love waterfalls. Look at this, guys. Now, normally, right, I would have my waterproof camera for this moment. But we don't have that. We don't have that anymore. So we make do with what we got, okay? We make do with what we got, and we are enjoying this luxury spa of a place because it looks amazing.
Just living. I'm alive.
We have made it to where we're about to rappel down. And look at that, guys. Straight cliff. Never done anything like this before. So it is gonna be a time. Sheesh. But look at this view, people. Look at the view. Then we're going to be rappelling down while looking at this. Wow. just got down, rappelling this whole waterfall. Low-key, I was a little bit scared. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I was a little bit scared, but I did it. I did it. Sam did it, and oh, it was exciting. You're going down, water splashing you in the face. You can barely see, but you're like, I gotta get down. So you're rappelling the whole time. Absolutely fun. And now we're rewarded with the only one in this whole pool. While we get to be under a waterfall. Wow. I know I've been saying wow a lot lately in my videos, guys, but wow. This is insane. I'm in it, baby, I'm in it. My boy Sam in there in the water, breathing. Solid, solid, solid. Wow. Loving life, guys. I'm loving life. Wow. Ooh, I am. Experiences over possessions any day of the week. Any day of the week, bro. This was so cool. And there we go, guys. That is rappelling Wan Kuri, a great waterfall. We enjoyed it. We saw great views, hung out. And like I said, experiences over possessions. Has been a great day. Thanks for joining me. I'm gonna finish up these little bitty peanuts that we bought from the lady and just relax. Happy travels.